How to link card to PayPal. Want to shop or withdraw funds faster? Here's how to link your debit or credit card to PayPal. So step one, log into your PayPal account using the app or website. And then once you're logged into your account, you'll get redirected to your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, click on this menu button at the top left of your screen. And then after that, go ahead and click on wallet under this, and that will take you to your wallet. So click on link a card, and then once you click on that, you'd be asked with the card info. So enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Confirm your card. PayPal places a small temporary charge with a 4-digit code. Enter that code in PayPal to verify. Now, once confirmed, your card is ready for online purchases, subscriptions, and withdrawals.